everyone, Penny here, That's Just Penny, and this is the 5 items challenge, day 3, and I'm super excited. This is the kit, Fennessy Swans, and it's coming out Friday, so check in the group. There will be a posting for the free mini, so check that out. Today I have a paint chip card, sample card. I don't know where this came from. I think it was a rack, or I don't remember, or if I picked it up. I don't remember, but I thought that a lot of people would have one of these, so I went ahead and picked one of these to alter today. And then I have, and you're going to laugh, but that's okay. This is the chocolates paper that comes like at Christmas time. They have those chocolate boxes, Rustovers or whatever they are, and they have these papers. Now this has been washed, of course, but they have these papers. It does still have a smell of chocolate, so, but anyway, I love this paper. And then I have some eyelash trim. I love eyelash trim. And then I have this napkin that I showed you all that came from the Dollar Tree. I love this. I haven't seen napkins like this. It's super thick though. I mean, I think there's, of course, there's probably another layer. But they're thicker than what I'm normally used to. You know what I mean? So, I don't know if there is another layer. Let's see. Just trying to find my tape to pull it. I don't know. I'm going to use it though. I don't know if there's another layer or not, but I don't think there is. But anyway, I'm going to use it like this. Okay, so I have 1 item, 2 items, 3 items, 4 items, and I'm going to use one of these. Let me turn my click on really quickly. Okay. So, I am thinking about, let's see, which one. I like this one because it has the green in it. It brings out the colors. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Now this is the kit Fennessy Swan, and it is coming out Friday, in case you were wondering. It was created for a certain person for her birthday a few years ago. And I show it off every year. Because I don't think they're upside down. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? Just love that. Love it, love it. It is pink. For those who don't like pink. Pink and brown. I just love these pages. I've printed several of the pages. And then I have this one. I have several pages that are Traveler's Notebook size as well. Look at this envelope. Oh, I just love this. Isn't that pretty? You know, I could use one of these. Ooh, that would be really pretty instead of one of those. Let's see how that goes. I printed a few because I am using this as a hospice journal. So, oh, wait, look at these. Ooh. So, this would look really pretty with the... Yeah, that might work too. Oh, look at that. I forget about the stuff I create. Isn't that funny? That would be too big. That would be too big. Okay. I forget about the stuff I create. That's too funny. So here's the journaling pages. You know, you just fold them. Journal pages. Look at this. When you fold this, the swans, I know they meet each other now. See, look at that. Look, in here they meet. And you could absolutely cut this out and use those as well. So, there's all kinds of possibilities with this kit. There's scrapbook papers. There's journal papers. There's actual journal pages. Look at this one. This one's neat. Ooh, that would really match, wouldn't it? That's pretty. That would match. We could put that on. I may put that on the back. That would work. And then here is a zine, and if you don't know what a zine is, it's like a magazine. It's a little mini book, and a lot of the kits have zines. So if you don't see it, just ask me if you want it.